This is a Nothing 4A. In this video, I'm gonna open the box and I'm gonna show you what comes in its box. So let's open the box. It has here a latch that you should remove like this. And then you just open the box. So I had to tear up the box here for it to open. It's not a big deal. So you have a box inside the box. The phone is very well protected. It opens like this. I got it in blue. And here's the phone. Let me remove this protective paper from it. The version I got is 12 gigabytes RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage. It also comes in 8 gigabytes RAM, 128 or 256 gigabytes of storage. It looks really very, very nice. And it has also a screen protector that is already applied on it. Let's see what's in this accessories box here. You have a protective case, and this is a very nice gesture from Nothing with the also screen protector that is here. And you have a charging cable, USB-C to USB-C, some documentation, and you have also the SIM remover, and this is the SIM remover. So this here is everything you get in the box. Here I am charging the phone, and you see it comes from the factory charged at 50% almost.